Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, your ultimate destination for the most breathtaking luxury homes around the world. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of a stunning royal white and golden mansion that perfectly blends classic elegance with modern luxury, right here in 2026 style. This estate is not just a house, it is a masterpiece of architectural brilliance and sophisticated design. Every inch of this mansion speaks volumes of opulence, from the grand entrance to the exquisite detailing in every room. The royal white exterior combined with shimmering golden accents creates a majestic presence that truly stands out. Starting with the grand facade, this home features pristine white marble walls that reflect sunlight beautifully, paired with golden trims that accentuate the intricate architectural elements. The symmetry and balance in the design give it a regal palace-like appearance, reminiscent of the finest European estates but with a contemporary twist. Moving inside, the foyer welcomes you with soaring double-height ceilings adorned with crystal chandeliers that sparkle like diamonds. The flooring is polished white marble with golden inlays that add warmth and richness to the space. The entire interior is bathed in natural light streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, giving a bright and airy ambiance. The living room is designed for both comfort and grandeur. Plush white velvet sofas with golden trims invite you to relax in style. Rich textures, from silk cushions to velvet curtains, create a lavish atmosphere. Golden accents appear throughout the room, from the ornate coffee tables to the decorative molding on the walls and ceiling. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a harmonious and luxurious space. Adjacent to the living room is the dining area, featuring a long marble table with golden legs. The chairs are upholstered in white and gold, perfectly matching the rest of the home's color palette. Above the table hangs an extraordinary chandelier made of hand-cut crystals and gold plating, illuminating the room with a warm, inviting glow. This space is ideal for hosting elegant dinners or intimate family gatherings. The kitchen is a royal chef's dream. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a premium oven, integrated dispenser, and a sleek hood light, it perfectly balances functionality with style. The countertops and backsplashes are made from exquisite marble with gold veining, tying in beautifully with the overall white and gold theme. This kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's a statement of luxury living. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and luxury. The king-sized velvet bed, framed with gold, promises restful nights in unparalleled comfort. Floor-to-ceiling drapes in white with subtle golden embroidery frame the windows, adding elegance and privacy. The room's lighting is soft and cinematic, designed to enhance relaxation and ambiance. The master bathroom continues the theme of opulence with its marble-clad walls and floors, gold faucets, and a large freestanding tub that invites indulgence. The walk-in shower features glass panels edged in gold, combining modern luxury with classic design elements. This mansion also features several outdoor spaces that elevate the living experience. The expansive terrace offers plush white and gold outdoor furniture where you can enjoy serene mornings or entertaining evenings with panoramic views. The crystal-clear swimming pool, surrounded by manicured gardens and golden-lit pathways, serves as the centerpiece of outdoor luxury. From the terrace, you can admire the immaculate landscaping, complete with palm trees and ornamental fountains that echo the grandeur of the home. The estate's lighting design is carefully curated to create magical atmospheres at any time of day, from bright sunny afternoons to warm, golden sunsets. Security and privacy are paramount in a home of this caliber. The estate is equipped with state-of-the-art surveillance and smart home technology, allowing residents to control lighting, climate, and security with ease and sophistication. The garage is a collector's dream, spacious enough to house an impressive array of luxury vehicles, all displayed with care and elegance. Polished marble floors and golden detailing continue even here, ensuring no detail is overlooked. This mansion truly epitomizes the luxury lifestyle of 2026 in the USA. It's a perfect blend of timeless elegance and cutting-edge modernity, designed for those who appreciate beauty, comfort, and exclusivity. As we wrap up this tour, remember that homes like these don't just provide shelter, they offer a lifestyle, a statement of success, and a sanctuary of peace and beauty. Thank you for joining us on Million Dollar Mansions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a glimpse into the world's most extraordinary homes. Until next time, live luxuriously and dream big.